So local rank and rant might be on its last leg. So I've just watched a video called AI is quietly taking over local SEO, and I'm honestly shocked. Hey guys, and welcome towards the scale. And this is going to be a retell of what is happening with local SEO and especially with rank and rant. And Google has just launched a new update that is erasing local map packs and substituting them with AI packs. The AI erosion while local SEO is breaking in the new rank and rant playbook. So this is how the map pack used to look like. There is a map, you get business addresses, you have a direct call to action button. You can visit the website by clicking on the link. And now this AI pack is substituting the real map pack. And the most annoying thing, a disastrous thing really, is that there is no call button. You cannot really visit the website like before, and the algorithm didn't just update, the whole layout was replaced. So the set and forget it era of rank and rant is ending. And I did a video in the end of last year with my predictions, and I was saying that I think that traditional rank and rant is going to be over by the end of 2026, and I didn't know it would come this fast. So there is this ghost trend happening, and it affects the business side of things without affecting the keyword rankings. So the rankings can be high, you can still rank in the top 3, but the click to call volume is drastically declining. And if your rank and rant tenants are complaining about lead volume, this is why. This is probably one of the first things that you should be looking into, because some sub-niches are more mobile first than others, and this is affecting the mobile users right now, but this is expected to be carried over to desktop. So even businesses that still rank in the top positions are seeing the dramatic deterioration in call volume. So basically, the correlation between ranking and calls is breaking. Your high rankings are no longer guaranteeing you the influx of calls, unfortunately. And this is based on the Sterling Sky Inc. study, where they looked at 179 Google business profiles across 34 law firms. So this is a lot of data. This is not just anecdotal. This is real data. And to me, the killer, this is the AL local pack. So once again, the traditional 3-pack, 3 visible slots, direct to call button, brand photos, and now the spots are reduced to 2 and sometimes 1. You get a generic summary at the top. And what amazes me is that there is no call button. So if click through is required, you can no longer call from within this map pack. You need to go to the website, find the contact form, find the phone number, and call it. So once again, what happened is that the number of slots were reduced from 3 to 2. There is no direct dial. Users must click profile and find the number. And the worst is that AI packs surface different, often random businesses. So AI pack is not summoning the guys that are here. Maybe it's a phase that local SEO is going through and then it's going to self-correct, but I doubt it. These are the numbers. 88% of markets show reduced inventory. In 322 markets analyzed, 88% showed fewer unique businesses visible in AI packs compared to traditional results. AI packs surface roughly 32% as many businesses as traditional packs. So you get less variation and you get less businesses offered to the consumer. The digital land available for rent is shrinking, and we're basically moving from a market of abundance to a market of scarcity. And it is the friction that kills this passive income model that many people are preaching. So the old way would be to perform a search, find a map pack, click the call button, and basically get the information. But now the user has to search, then they get an AI pack, they have to click a profile, scroll for the information, find the number and call. And we all know that in the attention economy that we're living in, the higher the friction, the worse the drop-off is going to be. So rank and rant relies on lead generation efficiency, and the AI pack forces users to take extra steps. And basically, Google is trying to monetize everything. Organic listings are losing functionality that ads are keeping. And this is the funny part. If you're a business and you do decide to buy an ad, users can still call from that ad. So the outcome is that you can no longer rely 100% on organic SEO. Your rent package must evolve into a leads package that includes managed PPC to guarantee call volume and protect tenant ROI. So Google is trying its best once again to dig into your pockets and reduce the value of organic traffic that you've so diligently worked at. Now, there are a few things that the authors of the video are suggesting, and then I'm gonna comment on top of that. You need to make a pivot. So pivot number one is the volume play. They are talking about horizontal expansion. So don't dig deep. Don't stress over one location. Expand if you can, to different sub niches and to different geographies as well. So with AI packs reducing visibility to only 2 spots, the odds of landing a single GMB in the pack have dropped. Add more locations in verticals, stop relying on a single hero location. If visibility per asset drops by 60%, you must increase asset volume by 60% to maintain total portfolio revenue. Now, the hybrid monetization, unfortunately, you have to do it. Well, it's one of the ways. Anyways, you have to buy ads because they retain this call now functionality and it becomes almost mandatory. So do not sell rankings, sell leads, use Google Ads to bridge the gap when AI packs suppress organic visibility. And the worst thing is that conventional keyword research tools right now, they do not distinguish between the local pack and the AI pack. So you may tell your client that they're ranking, well, on paper they are, but they are losing to the AI pack. Now, what I've been preaching for a while now is the statewide directories. So this plays into this whole do not invest into a single location. So move away from 50 disconnecting single page sites, build one authoritative directory to capture upper funnel traffic and control the verticals. And you can use this to give value, of course, but also to attract leads. So directories or local directories is the new rank and rent, in my opinion. But again, nobody is talking about it. Also, you can employ a sniper approach. So AI territory is still informational queries. Human territory is transactional. And on this channel, I've recorded numerous videos on how to find transactional keywords. You can also use my search gap method to find low competition keywords that will bring you traffic tomorrow. But basically, you need to shift content focus entirely to high urgency transactional intent. And unfortunately, this is just the beginning. Right now, it's around 8% of keywords that are affected by this AI pack, and it's mobile only. But by the end of 2026, it's going to be everywhere because this means that you will have to buy, or the businesses will have to buy ads. So the more territory the AI packs occupy, the more are the chances that you will need to invest in ads. Now, this is your rank and range survival checklist before I move on to another suggestion that I have. So you need to audit your pages and rankings to see if you're affected by this ghost trend, the AI pack. You need to think about expanding your geography. You most likely will have to invest into PPC, which is pay-per-click advertising. I would suggest you think about adding statewide directories and building statewide directories. And in my school community, I teach you how to do just that and basically double down on transactional pages. Luckily, I have not one, but two amazing resources. So I have my search gap method flagship course that helps you rank in 24 hours. Irrespective of your niche. This is method number one, route number one. And route number two is affiliate gap method. This is an amazing resource. It's extremely inexpensive. I teach you everything from niche research to product research. Search gap is blog first and website first. Affiliate gap method is video first. Within affiliate method, I give you amazing custom tools to 10x your content marketing for affiliate offers. And these tools, this is nothing that you have ever seen. So nothing like that exists. You can watch my videos. I have another channel called Affiliate Gap Method, where I teach you how to market any affiliate product, irrespective of its complexity, competitiveness, and whatnot. This is how approach that I teach. If you're looking for a new way of making money and you feel like the rank and rent is not your cup of tea, go on and join my Affiliate Gap Method. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.